Are you recording?
No, I'm gonna take a picture.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't like this one. Dance. I really don't.
Yeah.
Sorry, we just get that. And then we know what to do.
Guys, go away.
Go away.
Mika was really busy. Are you recording?
No.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, yeah, I am.
Are you for real? Yes, she's recording.
Don't record me.
She was the last one on Facebook.
Oh shit.
That was funny. You don't remember? You were all like, "Oh, Devarius."
Video, by the way.
Brandon?
I went through all of them.
It's only you. Like it's right there. Like you're there. It's you.
No, I went through all of them. You see how sucks you were looking at?
No, I'll do breakdown with that shit.
Y'all need to be watching this girl.
Why?
Come on to the break. Y'all need to be watching this girl. That's a little scary.
What? Give her a oh, fuck you, bitch.
Oh, when they was dancing this. Y'all like that? They was all up on each other.
No, that's just how we dance. No, everybody was like, wait, oh yeah. That was a cheese.
I think that was the bread.
No, I was the bread. I was on the side.
I think I was on the side too. It's a beginning and the end.
Yeah, right.
Damn, bitch, put your boobs away. Put your jacket on.
Better get him on the video.
That Brandy basically showed her boobs to my dad.
For real?
On accident.
No.
She didn't even know. She didn't even know. Like she was just like taking off her, and then she goes like that.
Public. Shut up.
Intersection.
Everybody's all seen boobs, okay? It's okay. I promise.
I don't roll that way. Okay, you see
Well,
yours. So you don't
yeah.
No. Exactly.
Look at her nose when they
Okay, I gotta admit, I'll be like, I would. Okay, I'll be like, oh. I do. Well.
Is that supposed to be?
Like draw on him, like put glasses on them. A little star here.
A little smiley face right here. Lesbians.
No, we just like it here. I'm just playing.
Oh, I need that right now. We're up.
I'm out.
Not completely gay. I'm not. There's people straight here. Wait. No, you're straight lesbian. So. Nobody's straight. Only lesbians. So. I like boys.
When I drink it.
I like
boys.
I like the big.
I like.
You like the what? You like the what?
she likes dick.
Turn around. She said it was mine.
Wait, hold on, I didn't see.
You don't have a name. Turn.
No, I think Sammy does.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sammy.
Bend over.
You almost sound like gorgeous.
I swear, we have to go to bed.
It's just gorgeous.
Please.
We do. Oh, remember when that time when?
Remember that time when?
No, okay. Me and Talia were talking, right? And she was like, "Oh, what if we went in a group full of people that were like, oh, I'm adopted, and one of them was like, oh, I got raped."
Raped.
Why did you think of that?
I don't know.